Today I'm hanging out at Hyde Park, and honestly, it's such a nice to spend a day. It's perfect for walking, biking, relaxing, playing sports, or just enjoying nature. There's also a small zoo inside called Hyde Park Zoo, where you can see a few animals, which makes the park even more fun to explore. What I found really interesting is the history behind the park. Hyde Park wasn't built all at once. Different pieces of land were donated or sold to the city of Toronto over time by different families. You can kind of think of the park as three main sections. The middle section was the original land donated in 1873 by John George Howard. This area included Colborne Lodge, some of the main roads inside the park, and even Howard's family home. The east side was added a few years later when the city bought land from Percival Rideout in 1876. A lot of the sports field and the zoo areas are around this side near Parkside Drive. The west side was the final piece added in 1930 from Chapman Estate, which used to belong to Ellis family. Their purchase helped complete the park and they gave the city full ownership to the whole area. The west side was final piece added in 1930 from Chapman Estate, which used to belong to the Ellis family. That purchase helped complete the park and gave the city full ownership of the whole area. It's pretty cool walking around knowing the park has so much history behind it. Well, still being one of the best places in Toronto to relax and enjoy nature. Every spring, the Sakura cherry blossoms at Hyde Park become one of the biggest and most beautiful attractions in Toronto. Thousands of people visit during the cherry blossom season to see more than 2,000 cherry trees covered in soft pink and white flowers. The atmosphere feels really peaceful and beautiful, especially when the petals start falling and covering all the walking paths like pink snow. During peak bloom, the park gets extremely busy with visitors, photographers, family, cyclists, trees coming from all around the city and even outside Toronto just to experience it. Because of the huge crowd, the city of Toronto usually closes the road inside the park to regular vehicles traffic so people can walk around more safely and enjoying the scenery without too much congestion. It's honestly one of the best times to visit Hyde Park because the entire park feels alive with spring colors. People having picnic, taking photos, relaxing under the trees, and reading books and enjoying the nature after a long winter seasons.